What's going on, guys? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Deep Exploration Code. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the swap areas. After opening Blender, I go to the shader editor. As you can see, the window is divided into two parts. The upper part contains the 3D object and the lower part contains the shader editor. You will notice that the shaders editor section is smaller than the object section. For example, if I want to have a look at all the principal BSDF, there are several ways to do it. One way is the right click between the two parts and click swap areas to swap the two parts. This way I can work in a more comfortable way, and when I am done, I can always swap the two parts back again. Here is how to use swap areas. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to let me know by giving it a like, and if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.